All right. Once we're done with presenting the data into columns and improving the quality of the columns and the rows, we continue with providing suitable names to the columns and to the queries. Remember, when we're working in Power Query Editor, queries are is a name for tables. It's the same thing. These are three tables. We're working in Power Query Editor, so we're calling them queries. Uh, in the first query, we're gonna name the columns in a better way than they are named already. Let's have a look how we can improve them. First, I want the titles in the first row. There you go. What's wrong with this? Student did. If if I read fast, there's a space missing, and to show it's an abbreviation, I will call it student ID. This is better. Underscores is not according to the convention. We just use spaces. Family name. First name, this is not easy to read. I'm gonna write it like this with a space in between. Gender looks fine. I can live with this. Passport too. City, ooh, this is not a city. Those are countries. So I'm gonna change the word city into country. Right? You see, you can double click on the title. Maybe there's another way to, yes, right click and then rename. So street and number, we can call it address. School year without a space, and birthday to be consistent. We will make it start with a capital letter, and there was an H missing. I guess it's without a space. All right, so we need to make sure that all columns have a title, a meaningful title, short and understandable by the general public. Okay, we have to change also the name of the query of this query and of this query. So let's have a look what is in these queries. So here again, we have an overview of the best practice. So no underscores, no too long abbreviations. It should be user friendly, meaningful, and accessible. So short. That's what I've already mentioned. Okay, I'm gonna first delete some rows. Those are 4 rows. Yes. There you go. First row as header. All right, now I know what we're talking about. This looks already good. Let's have a look. How could we call this one? I'm gonna call this query grades. So double click on the name and enter. We call it grades. Let's see what's in the second query. This looks like information about the students. So I'm gonna call it student info. Short but understandable.